Hey, hi. Today we are making a very famous dish litti. Litti is a very famous dish in Bihar and especially that part. Very healthy, super healthy. You require a very simple thing, atta and this sattu, and you have to create sattu masala. You have to add some onion, chili, whatever as per your little ghee and all. And we are going to follow the process. We are going to make this whole litti in air fryer. So before that, what you are going to do that? First, you create a dough that is this with a flour, and this dough is very important. It should be a little hard so that baking can be done properly. And this is sattu, the chanas, the roasted chana atta, which is flour. You can do that, and you can create this masala. So what we are going to do? It's a very simple. Once you are there, this dough is very important because how it's going to play a big role. And once you make a dough, what you do? You make a big, the flat, make a proper bowl shape so that you can fill this masala sattu inside, and it should be proper. Then what is going to happen once you are putting here? It is going to be absolutely flat across, and you have to close this. And once you close this, so it should be closed properly. Yeah, absolutely. We are making like this, and once it is ready, this raw material is ready. Just we have to put in air fryer, and will show you air fryer how it is done and what kind of temperature is required and how you can observe. So we'll tell you in the next part of my video. Thank you very much. Friends, I told you now this we made this litti. This is a raw. It has to be baked. It has to be cooked properly. And what we are going to do now, it's in a proper shape. We are using air fryer. This is our Usha air fryer where we put everything, and after that just you have to do 10 minutes one side. Just put the temperature 10 minutes and 200 temperature, so that what is happened 200 degree, so it bakes from inside. If you give a more temperature, then it will not cook properly. And after 10 minutes I just turn all the litti for another side and cook for another 10 minutes. That will become, just I'm putting all the littis inside. This all littis I'm putting inside. You can this is air fryer, so you can put at a time at least 10-12 you can cook together. And then I'll put a temperature of 10 minutes 200 degree. Accordingly work out. Close it to this. Close? Closing. Close. Chalo. You can see the final product of litti. After just observing, it becomes this kind of, this is the final product litti.